Hello everyone, and welcome back to some more review action. Got the plants by the door here because it's turning to be winter time, so get a little sunlight this way. Today we're going to be checking out an electric scooter. Our very first one. This one is coming in from Ladped. It's the Ladped electric scooter LP80. This puppy's got cruise control, energy recovery, some ABS, battery safety, and eco mode. Sorry, I'm a little excited. Scooter time, peeps. By the way, we also have some Tuya Smart App. Shipping, by the way, was with FedEx. Came in out of California. No problems. Box, impeccable condition. Okay, I went ahead and I opened up the box. We have instructions in here. So a little flyover and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got the hand on the box. First look together. Hiya! All right. Look at this. We have some nice foam in here. Some bubble wrap. All right, everything's looking nice and sturdy and pretty well assembled. Take it all in. Scooter action. All right, here's another look. Just kind of pulled that right out of the box and it's all together. I think we just kind of have to attach the stem here a little bit. Like this part right here. I think we have to attach that. That's pretty much it. Inside the little bag there, instruction manual. Looks like we got some hex wrenches, some screws, and charger. Okay, first thing we want to do is take this stem and we're just going to bring it all the way up. And then we're going to be able to just come over here and simply lock that in place. Bam. Look at that. That was pretty easy, huh? Step 1, done. Okay, next up we have some wires here and the tubing for the handlebars, as you see. So we're just going to guide those ever so gingerly into there. And follow the handlebar, put it right into that tube. It's in. Next up, we gotta put some screws in those holes. Do a little tightening with a hex wrench. All right, people, so we had 2 screws up here to put in. And then if we go ahead and rotate, 2 screws on the other side as well. That's it. Assembly couldn't be easier. You know, that Ladped's a good looking scooter. All right, so a little behind the scenes, if you will. I've never been on a scooter before, even a regular scooter. So I was like really kind of freaked out. So I had to make sure that I could do it. So I got on here and drove it around. This thing's fun. It's nimble. It's fun. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna take it to the park tomorrow. I'm like super pumped about it. But yeah, this deck, I wanted to show you the deck. I had to clean it off, but super grippy. And it's glued down. So this pad is not loose. This is a nice, secure, grippy pad. Ample room too for the feet. I like the little kickstand as well. And one more thing I noticed, we have a nice little tail light that blinks when you apply the brake. We do have some front light situations as well. We're outside, it's nighttime. Don't be scared, we're doing this together. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the scooter and show you the light. Short press down to turn on the light. Like that. Okay, with the light on, you can see a little bit of what's going on. You can see a tree here. All right, the light, it works. That tail light right there, that stays lit up when the light's on as well. Also have a nice little clip there that's gonna go ahead and connect right down there so we can fold it and carry it. One-handed operation, if you will. Look at that. Portable scooter, anyone? To the park. We got a 42 volt, 2 amp battery right here. We got the battery charger right here underneath the deck. Got that red light when it's charging. All right, everybody, we are at the park doing some riding. So we are on the first level, which is Eco, and it goes up to 8 miles an hour. We're actually able to get into the settings as well and switch it from kilometers to miles per hour, because we're not in Canada, even though I may act like it once in a while. All right. So no suspension on this, so you do feel the bumps, but again, I'm somebody that does not have any experience on a scooter, so it's really no big deal. Okay, so again, we are at 8 miles an hour on our max speed on eco mode. That's what we're hitting right now, 8 miles an hour. So we just had a long beep that happened, and that enabled us to have our cruise control kick in. So let's see, we had a few seconds on the throttle, and then all of a sudden it's going to go ahead and kick into your cruise control, so you don't have to keep the throttle down. So that's pretty awesome. It's a nice feature. All right, let's go ahead and double tap, and we're going to get this up to the second mode, which goes up to 11 miles an hour. Go. We're going to double click again, get up to the third level, which gets us up to 19 miles an hour, which if you haven't been on a scooter before, or you're a newbie like me, this is plenty fast. Wow, feels like I'm hauling 19 miles an hour. Woo! And again, no suspension on this, so you are feeling the bumps. But with the tires, they're tubeless, so that's kind of cool. You don't have to worry about flats at all. Less maintenance. This gets more and more comfortable, you know, as you ride it. It's awesome. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to start out in eco mode. To push and go between the modes, by the way, just double click on the power button here. We have 3 modes: Eco, D, S for sport mode. So we're going to start out in that Eco mode. Let's go ahead and switch that up to our middle mode. There we go, see the D on there? And now we're gonna take off to 11 miles an hour. Oh yeah. All right, folks, let's get it all turned around here, and let's get it up to speed, shall we? Let's do a sport mode. Here we go. Ta-ta! 10 miles, 11, 12. Yeah. Look at this. 18, 19. We've achieved maximum speed, folks. Yes. Look at the stability. Onward, adventurous explorers. First time on a bridge on a scooter. So riding over the planking, you can feel it a little bit without suspension, but again, it's not too bad, especially for somebody like me that does not have experience riding scooters. we've got that regenerative braking. I like it. It's nice and smooth. Gives a little extra as well. Kind of keeps a little in reserve, I guess. A couple other things to point out about the Ladped here. First off, we have some nice solid fenders here, which is awesome. And they really have taken the time to connect them well to the deck. Secondly, look at this wire management. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice indeed. And again, third thing I'd like to point out is we have some nice reflectors on the wheels, both front and back, for extra visibility. So the grips are going to be pretty much the same material as the deck. It's nice and grippy. My hands got a little sweaty on my ride, but seemed to work out pretty well with the grips. This clip here is heavy duty. Shouldn't have any problems with that maintaining during the life of the scooter for folding. And I do like the throttle. It is nice and responsive, and I do like the ability to click into the cruise control. Now, coming out of the cruise control, you can either hit the throttle again or apply a little bit of regenerative brake to get you out of that. Oh, we have a review airplane coming. How lucky are we? Let's go ahead and check that out, and we'll come back to the panel here. It's a Delta Mike. Okay, back at the panel, you see we have some Bluetooth right there, connectivity. So that means we're connected to our app. Let me go ahead and show you the app and what that's all about. Okay, before you, we're checking out the app. It's installed. Great ratings, great reviews. A lot of cool things about it we'll get into. Check out this map. It shows you right where your scooter's at. Where to park? It shows us we're at the park. Okay, so this app is filled with goodies for the e-scooter. So you're going to be able to do a number of different things. You can lower the speed in each one of the different speed modes. You can lock the scooter. So, you know, people can't power it on. They can still carry it away, but they can't power it on. So that's cool. You have the map like we showed you, so you can see where the scooter's at. And you can also go in and change miles per hour, amongst a few other things. App is pretty all right. Of course, no tour of the cockpit would be complete without a sounding of the bell. Here we go, for your enjoyment and pleasure. It's okay. I wish there was more of a horn, but at least there's something to let people know you're coming. All right, so overall, again, as my first time experience riding an e-scooter, I thought this thing was wicked sick. I think that it was amazing. It's light, it's portable. I mean, I can pick it up, carry it, no problem. It's easy to commute into places. If you have a lot of traffic and stuff like that, you know, you want to commute around in the city, check things out, you could definitely do that with a scooter. I mean, this is pretty awesome. Looking forward to definitely taking this thing to many more places in the future. If you've never been on an e-scooter before, I would definitely recommend giving it a try. Make sure to check out the link below to go ahead and check out your own scooter. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.